Alright, let's cook hard-boiled egg using a microwave, no explosion. Remember the ingredients, okay? 1 coffee mug, 1 raw egg, 1 cup of water, and the most important, 1 tablespoon of salt. Do not forget the salt, okay? And then, let's put the salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, I just put 1 egg. Okay, 1 egg only per cup. Alright, so let's put 1 tablespoon of salt. Do not forget the salt or else your egg will explode. Okay, let's fill it with water. We need water to boil, obviously. Okay, and then we put it inside the microwave and cook it for 5 minutes. Okay, we will wait for 5 minutes. Joke. Alright. Okay, I fast forward it and here's the result. It's hot. Okay. Of course it is. This is a bad practice using a tissue because he's lazy to find the pot holder. Okay. Is that called pot holder? Alright, so that's our egg. It's been boiled. It did not explode because it has the salt. The salt stops the explosion. Why? It's because the salt is like that. Okay, it has chemical properties that stop the explosion. If you wanna know more, search it on Google. So it's still hot. And it's not sponsored by Vitamilk. Okay, so the kitchen is very dirty as you can see. There's so many clutter. Okay, we're gonna test it out now. Look, the egg is hard. It's already boiled. And okay, it's hot. That's why it's having a hard time. You can put it on a cold water with ice to cool it down. Okay, here's our egg. Look, perfection. Perfection. Perfectly cooked, right? Okay, thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.